Healthy snacking and good food choices can be difficult any time of year, but especially tough during the big game. Pistachios are loaded with antioxidants and fiber, plus it's going to give your immune system a boost as well. Now you can eat pistachios right out of the bag, or you can spice them up with your favorite seasonings, like thyme and garlic, or smoked chili, tequila, or you can add them to your favorite game day recipes. They make great dips, salads, they go awesome in protein bars, they're easy to pack, and they travel well. They're not only delicious, but they have as much protein as an egg, as much fiber as a cup of broccoli, more potassium than a large banana, and more phosphorus than a cup of milk. And contain healthy, unsaturated fats, no cholesterol, and are low in calories. In fact, 1 ounce serving of pistachios is 49 nuts and only 160 calories. Check out AmericanPistachiogrowers.org for some delicious big game recipes.